Hello friend, this is Rupesh and you're watching CppNuts video series on C++ and this video is about where is my half object going. If I have one object, I copy that object to another object and then suddenly some part of my object is gone. That is called object slicing, and this is a funny way to explain this, but yeah. So it says you create a big object and suddenly half of it is gone. So if you look at the example here, we have animal base class and dog derived class, and dog contains everything animal has plus its own dog specific data. So this is how inheritance work, and this is the simple code. Animal has the age and dog is having extra member which is breed, okay, and sound has its own woof sound, whereas animal have the animal sound, meaning some sound. Now if you do this, you create a dog and then initialize that dog into animal, then we have slicing happening, meaning dog was containing animal plus dog's characteristics. Now the moment you convert initialize dog into animal, it only contains the animal property like age. There is no breed available here. That's why you feel some of the properties are gone. And now if you do animal.sound, then it is going to do that animal sound, not the woof sound, because it's entirely a new object now, because it's not a dog object anymore. And this is called object slicing. So remember this whole topic is object slicing. You're slicing the object and using part of that, but it only happens when you deal with the actual objects. If you deal with the references like this, if you create reference of that dog, then it means you are actually referring to that only, but through animal type. Then you will not lose anything. Everything will be available because obviously you are now referring it. So not referring is object slicing. Actually, it's not a bug or anything. It is a feature, but it depends what you want at what time. So if you really want everything to be available, then you will use reference. And if you want slicing, then obviously you will not use reference. Cool, right? Thanks for watching.